Uh, do I need to just tear it, or how do you start an unboxing video? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is like not pre-rehearsed. It's a different kind of video because I will be unboxing my first drone. Yeah. Yeah, how do I start? Yeah, so I've been thinking of taking my Instagram and my YouTube into another level, and I was looking to buy a drone. I've never used it before. I don't know how it works. Shout out to Rated by Tintin, who asked me, are you going to do an unboxing video? And I was like, that's a good idea. You know what? I mean, first time, let's give it a try. Let me unbox my tool on YouTube. So I did a little research online about the best brand and what to buy, and I found out DJI is actually a very good maker. It's a very good brand, and luckily for me, they have a store here in Milan. So I went there. I spoke to one of the employees over there. I have specific things I was looking for because most of my trips I'm alone. I wanted something new. I wanted something good. I wanted something that could last. And most important thing for me, I wanted a drone that could follow me around. Just in case I don't have a friend around to navigate it for me. And I want to record myself, so I needed someone. I needed a drone that could follow me around. And ladies and gentlemen, meet DJI Pro 3. I think they pronounce it, I think it's called DJI MINI 3 Pro. So here is it, new from DJI store in Milan. Yeah, I will write their address below, just in case you're looking to get it directly from the manufacturer. So inside the DJI Mini 3 Pro, we have the drone itself, we have the controller with the screen, and then one battery. I will explain to you the price because they have different prices for all these things. Yeah. Looking at my screen, you will see there are different prices for the drone, the DJI Mini Pro 3. The first one is 749 euros, which is the drone only, without the controller. However, there is another one with the controller, which costs 839 euros. The 839 euros drone comes with the controller, but the controller doesn't have a screen, which means you have to attach your phone to it. However, I got the one that has a screen, so I don't need to attach my phone to the controller. I could see and control everything from this controller. I got this drone for 1,009 euros, and also I got a DJI CARE refresh for a year. It's like a guarantee in case you lose the drone or something happens to the drone. There is another one called like the Mini Pro combo, which includes 2 extra batteries and a bag, and also I think 4 or 8 extra of this one. It costs an additional 189 euros. I decided not to get that because I could get it again tomorrow. So I could get it anytime. I don't need to buy the combo instantly. So I want to show you things about this drone. The 2 sensors follows you everywhere you go without, you don't need anyone to control it. And that's the reason I got it. This is the latest one. Also, one good thing is this can record both vertically and horizontally. So the second one couldn't do this, which is good for both Instagram videos and YouTube videos. Another important information is you do not need a license for this. If it weighs more than a certain number, you need to get like a certificate for it. But for this, you don't need it. So I live in the city and I can't use drone, in the city. So I have to go somewhere far away to try this drone. So come with me, let's go try these bad boys out.